2018 Mercedes-Benz C-Class. With less than 32,000 miles on the odometer, this sedan combines safety and comfort with style and performance. You won't be able to pass up on these extra features: side view mirrors with turn signals, turbocharged engine, multi-zone air conditioning, heated side view mirrors, moonroof, wood grain trim, backup camera, passenger seat adjustable lumbar support, memory seat, power driver seat, power passenger seat, pass-through rear seat, rain sensing wipers, Bluetooth, brake assist. We're here to help you find what fits your lifestyle.